Hello everyone, this is Aram here, and today we are going to create this animated background. I hope that you guys will like this. I am going to make it by using HTML and CSS. So let's get started. Let's move on to our code editor. If you guys are following me, then you know that I'm using VS Code Editor, and if you're new here, then I'm using VS Code Editor, okay? And I've already created a folder on my desktop with the name of tutorial, and inside that I have created a file index.html. Now I'm going to create another file which is main.css. So I have an emmet extension, so I'm using the emmet extension, and by using my emmet extension I'm going to have a HTML5 template. And now I'm going to change the title of my page, which is animated. Now I'd like to link my style sheet with this, so related to style sheet, and the href for this would be main.css. Here I'm going to prepare the markup, and the markup is, let me show you again if you guys didn't notice. We together, you and I, we are going to create this animated background. So you guys can see that it is flashing, it's moving, it's just on and off. It gives the effect of on and off. So I'm going to create this animated background, and here I would like to go with the division. So I'm assigning it a class, and my class name would be background 1. And I'm going to have another class which is back. And okay, I'm sorry, I don't have to create it. Now I want to have another division. I'm using a class, and here I'm saying background 2, and I'm assigning the same class back here. And this is the markup. Markup is ready. Nothing happens. Let me show you in the browser by using my live server. Okay, so nothing happens because we have just prepared the markup. But if you guys want to know that if something had happened here, let me show you that if I use my h1, and by using my h1 I want to say our favorite hello world. And here we go. So you guys can see that it is working, and from here the title is animated. So let me remove this h1, and let's move on to the main.css. I want to have a frame here, and I mistook here. Actually, I want to have a division, and I want to assign a class of frame, and then I want to wrap my background within this frame. So this is what I have to do. Now let's move on and start styling our frame. So for frame I'm using the frame class. Oops, okay, and I would like to go with the position of absolute, and the top for this would be 50%, and left is also 50%, and width would be 400 pixels, and height would also be same at 400 pixels. Margin top would be minus 200 pixels, and then I want to go with margin left, and this is also minus 200 pixels. I want to go with the bit of radius. I want to say border radius. Here it would be 2 pixels. I want to have overflow hidden. Now I would like to get the class of background. So here I'm using my background 1 class. So background 1, and here the position. I would like to use the absolute position here, and then with the width of 100%. And my apologies for the spellings, typing mistakes. And then I want to go with the height, and the height is also 100%. Now I would like to have some animation. So here I just want to have animation, and the animation would be 5 seconds ease in out, and I want to make it unstoppable, so I want infinite and then alternate. Then after I want to have a background here, and for the background I would like to go with the linear gradient. Here I want to have it from top, so I just want to say to top left, and the color I want to have a 630 and 629, kind of a pink, and not a kind, actually it's a pink color. And then F707 F7, and this is what the colors I am going to use. Now let me bring my screen in the middle of the camera, then it would be easy for you guys to see what's going on. And now I would like to go with the second background properties, and this would be background 2. And here again I would like to go with the animation, and the animation would be for 5 seconds ease in out, and again infinite, and then alternate, and alternate reverse. I want to have a background with the same properties, same values, linear gradient, and this time again I want to go with it to top left, and the colors I want to go with the same color, 630, 629. And no, I don't want to go with the 630 and 639. I want to have a 10 DEEC with blue, and C05 F07 F70, okay, blue and pink, okay. And now I would like to go with some animation. So for the animation I want to use the keyframes, and here we go, keyframes, because here I named my animation as animation and animation, and then here for 0% and for 100% I would like to go with the opacity of 0, and then I want to have a 50%, and for this I would like to go with the opacity of 1. And let's save it. Let's move on to the browser, and this is what we have done. Okay, so you guys can see that it is animating and it is working nicely. Here I've changed the colors. Here I've used more of blue, but here I've used more of pink and some purple effect. So I hope that you guys like this video. If you like, do hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, hasta la vista, and ciao ciao.